What am I gonna do? Jasmine won't even let me talk to her. I should have known I couldn't pull off this stupid prince wish.
So move. That's a good move. I can't believe it. I'm losing to a rug.
Genie, I need help.
All right, Sparky, here's the deal. If you want to court the little lady, you gotta be a straight shooter. Do you got it?
What?
Tell her the truth!
No way! If Jasmine found out I was really some crummy street rat, she'd laugh at me.
A woman appreciates a man who can make her laugh. Al, all joking aside, you really ought to be yourself.
Hey, that's the last thing I want to be. Okay, I'm gonna go see her. I gotta be smooth, cool, confident. How do I look?
Like a prince.
Princess Jasmine?
Who's there?
It's me, Prince Ali. Prince Ali Babwa.
I do not want to see you.
No, please, Princess, give me a chance.
Just leave me alone.
Down, kitty.
So how's our little beau doing?
Look, a mouse. Scat. Come on, good. Can you just take off? Down, kitty.
Wait. Do I know you?
No. No.
You remind me of someone I met in the marketplace.
The marketplace? I have servants who go to the marketplace for me. Why, I even have servants who go to the marketplace for my servants, so it couldn't have been me you met.
No. I guess not.
Enough about you, Casanova. Talk about her.
Huh?
She's smart, fun, the hair, the eyes, anything. Pick a feature.
Princess Jasmine, you're very...
Wonderful, magnificent, glorious, punctual.
punctual.
Punctual?
Sorry.
Beautiful.
Nice recovery.
I'm rich too, you know.
Yeah,
The daughter of a sultan.
I know.
A fine prize for any prince to marry.
Right. A prince like me.
Wine.
Right. A prince like you. And every other stuffed shirt, swaggering
wait.
peacock I've met.
Mayday!
Just
What?
go jump off a balcony.
What?
Stop her! Want me to sting her?
Buzz off.
Okay, fine. But remember, be yourself.
Yeah, right.
What?
You're right. You aren't just some prize to be won. You should be free to make your own choice. I'll go now.
No!
What?
How are you doing that?
It's a magic carpet.
It's lovely.
You don't want to go for a ride, do you? We could get out of the palace, see the world.
Is it safe?
Sure, do you trust me?
What?
Do you trust me?
Yes.
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride, a whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming.
A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole
hold your breath, it gets better.
I'm like a shooting star. I've come so far. I can't go back to where I used to be. Every turn a surprise.
With new horizons
Every
to
moment
pursue, I'll chase them anywhere. There's time to spare. Let me share this whole new world with you. A whole new world. That's where we'll be.
That's where we'll be.
A thrilling chase.
A wondrous place for you and
It's all so magical.
Yeah.
It's a shame Abu had to miss this.
Nah. He hates fireworks. He doesn't really like flying either. That is, oh no.
You are the boy from the market. I knew it. Why did you lie to me?
Jasmine, I'm sorry.
Did you think I was stupid?
No.
That I wouldn't figure it out?
No, I mean, I hoped you wouldn't. No, that's not what I meant.
Who are you? Tell me the truth.
The truth? The truth? The truth is, I sometimes dress as a commoner, to escape the pressures of palace life. But I really am a prince.
Why didn't you just tell me?
Well, you know, royalty going out into the city in disguise. I mean, it sounds a little strange, don't you think?
Not that strange.